Vader versus Starflight. Woohoo! Yeah! Hey guys, wait for me! Ring around the rosy, happy go right now. Ashes, ashes. We got some tires! That was an amazing job. Excellent work, Mater. Thanks, Lightning McQueen. Thanks about that. Anyways, about my best friend. A best friend? What's that? A best friend like that, Chick Kicks. I'll tell you past 2 years ago. Okay, Mater. Show us how we got with them past 2 years ago. Let's see how we got. Me and my best friend Starflight has been left immediately. Hey, buddy. Hey. I had some fun with Sandy Cheeks of Parker Bacon. So, you had some fun with me. So he's trying to leave me, but this time with Starflight. Past few weeks ago, I remember this time had changed now. I'll just unring bell her or unsubscribe to her. But never forget about that. That's why Starflight didn't like me. Don't worry, Mater. We're going to get Starflight. Sheriff? Yes, McQueen? We need to try to figure out what Mater need to get Starflight who could do. Do you have any ideas? I don't know, Whitey McQueen. Mater, did you pass 2 days ago for this time? Yeah, Starflight tried to block me. Okay. We gotta go to Starflight's house. Come on, everyone. Later at Starflight's house. Let me knock on the door. Hey. Starflight, we need to talk to you right now. Yes, what is it, Sheriff? You know best for Mater for this time, I guess about that. We need to apologize to Mater right now. Okay, Mater, I'm so sorry about what I've done. It's okay, I may forgive you. Let's see about this. I can place you under house arrest. Now get in the house, don't you ever come out until your under house arrest of 3 weeks is over. Okay, one. Let's go home. Under house arrest. Oh, this is going to take me forever. Bye, Mater. 3 days later. Okay, Starflight. Your under house arrest is finally over right now. Thanks, Sheriff. Now, Mater. Let's see here, Starflight. If you get the under house arrest, the police will find out you. Anyways, want to forgive me? Yes. Come on, let's fun be friends. Hey guys, I'm back for the bathroom. Anyways, let's see the problem. Mater. Chick Hicks. Mater and Starflight, but best friends together. Alright, way to go, you two. Yes, I'm agreed. I'm agreed with you, Mater. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. Let's play tag right now. Tag! You're it, Chef! Now I might tell you don't. Let's use a paper to someone only you and me will be best friends forever. Look out, Theo! Whoa! Oops. Looks like I'm tied to it. Oh, Chick Cakes. Vader! Starflight! Chick Hicks, are you alright? Yes, I'm okay. About that, I'm sorry what I've done. Looks like got me fit of a meter like that. Oh, Chick Hicks. Yes, Daddy?
What's out of here? Did you freeze that thing? Oh, that's a thing. Ah, shit. Oh, God, Lord. Can you put a cold bag in that room? Cold, so I can breathe better.
Please do not promise.
No, I need cold air. What am I missing?
Extra soon.